Hi GP learners, welcome to another episode of Tip Thursday. Today we're going to look at something called the Kardia Alivecor. So this is the little device that you require. It's a method of screening out patients that have atrial fibrillation, and we covered this recently on the recent eGPlearning Podblast episode. In order to use it, you do also require a smart device like this. So as you can see, this is the phone you normally see my videos from. I can't use this on this occasion because actually I can't record at the same time. And what interestingly to note, this will work regardless of whether the phone's on airplane mode, so you don't need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for it to be active, although I think it does pair via Bluetooth. In terms of using the device, simply open the app, as you can see here, and then once you've logged in, you'll get to a screen like this and be able to record your EKG. Yes, EKG, not ECG. This is an American brand. Once it's on, open up the app. Now, I'm just going to have to turn this around so that I can use it effectively. And you put your two fingers on. And as you can see, it counts down until it gets a decent trace. And then 30 seconds later, we will have an idea of whether or not I have atrial fibrillation. I can assure you my pulse is not normally this fast. However, when I'm recording, as you can tell, a little bit anxious and nervous that this was going to work effectively. The signal seems to run through the microphone, so that is important to be aware if you've got too much interference going around. As you can tell by looking at my trace, I do not have atrial fibrillation, and in 5 seconds we'll have confirmation. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As it processes, as you can see, it asks if this was mine. I'm going to say yes, and it has a trace that says no abnormality detected in your EKG. You can send this off for clinician review, which is a paid for service, or email it across, which is how you can put it into the clinical records for patients when you use it, and add a note to say if the patient was having chest pains, etc. Really effective piece of kit that you can use. A lot of CCGs are paying for practice to have this, so be interested to see if you can get access to it. If not, there is a link to purchase the device below. In terms of using it, I find it really effective. We started using it as part of our flu clinics and hypertension reviews to screen out patients. Let us know what you think. As always, comment, share, and keep eGP learning. See you later, guys. Bye.